Welcome to Anna and Jake Real Life English.
Today, we're talking about small talk in real life.
We'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow.
Small talk sounds easy, but it can feel stressful.
Yes, because it happens fast and you cannot prepare every line.
The good news is this: real small talk is simple. It is not about perfect English.
It is about connection. A friendly tone helps. A small smile helps too.
We have 5 common scenarios today.
And lots of easy lines to copy.
Scenario 1 is the coffee shop,
You want it short and polite.
and you want it relaxed. Here is phrase 1. Could I just get a flat white, please? Could I just get a flat white, please?
Here is phrase 2. Can I pay with card? Can I pay with card?
Here is phrase 3. That's all, thank you. That's all, thank you.
Mini dialogue 1.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
Could I just get a flat white, please?
Sure. Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
No problem. That'll be $4.20.
Mini dialogue 2. Hi, could I get a black coffee, please?
Of course. Sit in or take away?
Takeaway, please.
Great. Anything else today?
No, that's all. Notice the pattern. Short request, then please, and thank you.
Scenario 2 is weather small talk.
It is easy and safe. It works with strangers.
Phrase 1 for good weather. Beautiful day, isn't it? Beautiful day, isn't it?
Phrase 2 for bad weather. Can you believe all this rain? Can you believe all this rain?
Phrase 3 for cold days. It's freezing today. It's freezing today.
Mini dialogue 1.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
It really is. I love this sunshine.
Same here. It feels like spring. Mini dialogue 2.
Can you believe all this rain?
I know, it never stops.
At least it's warm.
True, that helps.
Weather small talk is simple. You comment, the other person agrees.
Scenario 3 is meeting new people.
This can feel scary, but you only need a few lines.
Phrase 1. So, what do you do? So, what do you do?
Phrase 2. Oh, really? That sounds interesting. Oh, really? That sounds interesting.
Phrase 3. How did you get into that? How did you get into that?
Mini dialogue 1. Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Anna. I'm Jake. Nice to meet you too.
So, what do you do?
I'm a designer.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting. Mini dialogue 2.
So, what do you do?
I work in sales.
Oh, nice. Do you enjoy it?
Most days, yes. It's busy though. You do not need a clever story. You just need interest.
Scenario 4 is elevator small talk.
This is very short. Keep it light.
Phrase 1. Morning. Morning.
Phrase 2. Busy day? Busy day?
Phrase 3. Ready for the weekend? Ready for the weekend?
Mini dialogue 1.
Morning.
Morning.
Busy day?
Very busy. Meetings all morning.
Same here. Mini dialogue 2.
Morning.
Morning.
Ready for the weekend?
Absolutely. I can't wait.
Elevator talk is about friendliness, not deep conversation.
Scenario 5 is ending a conversation.
This is a great skill. It saves you from awkward moments.
Phrase 1. Well, it was lovely to see you. Well, it was lovely to see you.
Phrase 2. Anyway, I'd better get going. Anyway, I'd better get going.
Phrase 3. Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon.
Mini dialogue 1.
That's such a good point.
Yes, I agree.
Well, it was lovely to see you.
You too. Let's catch up soon.
Mini Dialogue 2.
Anyway, I'd better get going.
Of course, no worries at all.
It was really nice to chat.
Same here. Take care.
So, what did we learn today?
Keep it simple. Keep it friendly.
Use short lines and use a warm tone.
That's all for today.
This was Anna and Jake, Real Life English.
Thanks for listening. See you next time.